So let's figure out the money. Let's use teacher as our occupation. So we come over here to occupations, and I'm going to click the T for teacher. Now you can also just type in teacher right here, and it'll give you the options as well. I kind of like doing it this way because then you can find very specific information. So I'm just going to go middle school teacher and come down here to how much would I earn. And right now it shows an annual wage for teacher, but it's kind of confusing. Just give me the numbers. So I'm going to click on this red version here. And there we go. All right, so let's suppose you want to go to a different state, and we can compare those. So you click the blue button there, and I'm going to compare Alaska and let's say California, and click display the states. So scroll down. So the annual wage technical education teachers, middle school, here we go. 72. All right. And what I would do is just go ahead and copy that, Control C. And that way you have it. California, just a little bit more. Okay, so now we go ahead and click back over to our slides. And you can see the teachers right there. Now, just for our purposes, you can go ahead and round that if you want so that it appears like that. Okay. Now, Uncle Sam is going to take 20% of the taxes and, pays for our roads and schools and all sorts of things. So, and we're going to keep 80%. And we're just using the 20% just for our purposes. Okay. Everybody's on the same page in that. And you can, taxes go up and down. So there's a variety of percentages. Okay, so we we're going to go ahead and try to figure out our net pay. So 72,600 is our net pay. Is our gross pay. And that is before taxes. All right, so let's find out how much we get to put in our net and take home. Okay, so we're going to take home 80%. And so we're going to take 72,600, multiply it by 0.8, and our net pay is going to be $58,080. Okay, so that's the net pay. So on your slide, you'll see it says occupation there. And so you can just go ahead and take out occupation and put your occupation that you choose. Okay. And we're using this value here. I'm just going to paste. Okay, our net pay was 58,080. So copy that, paste that. Now let's find out our net monthly pay. Okay, so we take 58,080 and divide it by 12. So every month, this teacher will get paid $4,840. Okay, there we go. That's how you figure out the net pay when you start with a gross yearly salary. Okay, so when there are some jobs out there that are not paid by the year, but they are paid by the particular job that you do. Okay, so actor is one of those occupations. So you can, once again, you can come up here to where am I going and click on occupations and get to actor, or you can go ahead and type it in and get to that particular job right there. Okay, So I'm going to click on how much would I earn if I'm an actor. Now, not everybody is going to be earning millions for movies and so forth. Sometimes you're just a stand-in. Okay, so you can see that it kept my information from my previous search. So I'm going to go ahead and add another state on there because there are a lot of actors in New York. And I'm going to click display the data. Okay, so in New York, it's doing this one thing. You might see this for dancers and other occupations. It says wage estimate isn't available. Okay, so they've done their best. If you ever get one of these for one of your jobs, you might have to Google the occupation salary for that particular job. Okay, so you might need to get off of the Access site and go Google it. Okay, so here's California and here's United States. Okay, so that's the wage for those for actors. All right, so that means we have the gross hourly wage here. So before we went from the yearly salary of a teacher, and now we're bringing it, we're going the other direction. We're going from a hourly rate of an actor and trying to get the yearly. Okay, so here is an example for the actor. Okay, so an actor, let's say, gets $19.97 an hour, and usually actors don't work a full 48-hour full-time position. So we're just going to go with 30 hours a week. Okay. So for our purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and round that to 20 and then go ahead and multiply it by 30. And we will end up with our $600 a week times weeks in a month, which are 4, and we will get $2,400. Okay, so that's how much an actor would get paid a month, and that is a gross monthly salary. So now we want to find out the yearly, and so we'll take this and multiply it by 12, and we get 28,800. So now this is our gross income. And our next thing we're going to do is go ahead and figure out the tax. Once again, Uncle Sam is going to take 20%, and we get to keep 80%. So we will take 28,800 and multiply by 80%, which is 0.8. And we'll get $23,040 as the yearly net pay. Okay, so you can see that from the teacher, we went from the yearly all the way down to the monthly. For the actor, we started with the hourly, then did the monthly, and then discovered the yearly. Okay, so I hope this helps in figuring out the salaries for your occupations.